Welcome or welcome back, and I need help at C-square. In this example, I need to find the derivative of f of x equals 3 over cubic root of x squared minus 2 cosine x. And for that reason, for finding the derivative f prime of x, I'm going to use these three rules: the product rule, the constant multiple rule, and the sum and addition rule of derivatives. And for that reason, I'm going to have f prime of x here equals the derivative with respect of x of 3 over cubic root of x squared minus the derivative with respect of x of 2 cosine x. And for the first part, I'm gonna have to use first the constant multiple rule, which allows me to bring the 3 up front and also inside of the parentheses the derivative with respect of x. I'm gonna change that expression in this form where I have a rational exponent, and that will be negative 2 over 3, I use the laws of exponents, minus the same rule here, the constant multiple rule. I'm going to pull the 2 out, and then I'm going to have the derivative with respect of x of cosine of x. And now let's move to the next thing, and I'm going to use the power rule for the first part, which allows me to bring the negative 2/3 up front times x to the negative 2/3, and don't forget to subtract 1. And let's move to the next one, minus 2 times, and the derivative of cosine of x is negative sine of x. And let's do some simplification here. First of all, we can see these 3 cancel out, so I'm going to have negative 2 x to the negative 2/3 minus 1 is negative 5/3 plus 2 sine x. If we simplify the 2 negative sign, you see. One more thing here, I'm going to change that negative exponent in a positive exponent, and that will be x to the 5/3, but be sure that is a denominator, plus 2 sine x. I think this form is good enough. Of course, you can rearrange this expression if you want to do that rational exponent in a radical form. If you enjoyed this video clip, don't forget to click the like button and come back on C-square for more help. Thank you.